Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel, and in this episode we are going to be reviewing the new 7IDP helmet. Let's crack on. Right everyone, so we're back at Hamilton Hill and I'm going to be doing a little bit of a review on my helmet today. We're joined by my best buddy Phil.
Good morning.
Let's crack on. Right, we're at the top of Hamilton Hill. We've just done a few runs to familiarise Phil with the track because he's never ridden here before. And so far, the helmet is pretty awesome. It's really lightweight. It's only like 800 grams and it's got so many air holes and vents that I haven't even got a sweat on yet, and that's unusual for me. So let's do a few runs. We'll follow Phil down and see how he's getting on. Crack on. Right, so we're going to follow Phil down. This is only his third ever drop into Hamilton Hill.
Don't say drop.
Dropping in. Keep going. Don't pull, push. There you go. That was decent, that, Phil. Yeah, you like racer jumped it, but you were straight and you landed well.
That was nearly enough.
Right, let's have another go. Right, that was Phil's first follow cam. Did you see the rookie mistake? If you did, bang it in the comments. The helmet is awesome. You hardly know you're wearing it. Brilliant piece of kit. Phil, how are you finding it?
Just warming up, mate.
Just warming up.
Crack on.
Like a pro. Let's do another run. Right, following Phil. No pulling this time.
No pulling.
It's nice and smooth, that, mate.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Right, let's go.
Go on then.
That was fun.
Give it so.
Right, we're going to follow Phil down now on a full speed run because he pretty much kept up with me in that last one, so I reckon he's got it. What do you reckon, Philippe?
I've always had it.
Always had it. Just kept it in your back pocket. Drop in. Remember, push. That's it. Keep your pedals level. Heels down. Oh. Few rookie mistakes on that one, young man. Right, so we've come back to the van for a quick coffee break. I'll give you an update on Sammy. I went to see him the other day. He's doing alright, he's on plenty of painkillers. I fixed his bike up for him. It just bust the pedals, so I put a new set of pedals on. And he's doing alright, he appreciates all the get well messages, so thanks for all them. And hopefully he'll be back out shredding soon. Philip, how are you finding the little Hamelton Hill? What do you think to it?
It's fantastic.
This is the first time you've done this place. How do you compare it to like Sherwood Pines, which I think is pretty tame?
Yeah, I mean it is fast, and I don't know, I do like the twists.
It's flowy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That one that I'm taking you on is really good for learning the flow, and yeah, you're doing well.
It does test you, especially with the amateur that I am.
Amateur. Skinny, hairy mountain biker. Not even hairy. Skinny, well-shaven mountain biker. Yeah, so we'll finish our coffees and we'll go do a few more runs. See you in a bit. Right, dropping in behind Phil again. Let's see how he's coming on. After you, buddy. Nice. That one didn't quite go according to plan.
Quite?
I think I'm going to go for a blast down the rock drop.
Right. I'm going to sit now.
I'll meet you back at the top. Too slow. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a little bit about this helmet. It's got one of the world's longest names. It's called the 7protection project23 ABS full face MTB helmet. It's a right mouthful, but I think it is an awesome piece of kit. It's got 23 air holes, which apparently is the most amount of air holes of any helmet on the market at the moment, which it really does give good airflow and keeps you nice and cool. It weighs 850 grams, which is very lightweight. All the insides come out and they're all washable. It's got a quick release peak in case you crash, it fires off to stop you twisting your head. Buckle fastening, which is fully adjustable, and yeah, comes in at around 100 quid, and I think it's a right good bit of kit. I bought it because I've stupidly entered myself into a enduro race in a few weeks, and we have to wear a full face helmet. So you're going to get to see a fat hairy mountain biker make a fool of himself in a race in a few weeks, which will be fun. So that'll do for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This IDP, 7IDP helmet, I think is a great bit of kit and value for money. I don't think you can get a better one for that price. You can get downhill ones, but they're a lot heavier. So I really like that. So how did you enjoy your day, Philip?
Absolutely brilliant, mate. Thanks for taking me.
No worries. So that's it for this one. We'll catch you in the next one.